Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make public group on Telegram easy guide. Open Telegram and tap the menu, then select New Group to begin. Add people or skip to create the group first. Go into Group Settings, choose Group Type, switch to Public, and pick a unique username. Confirm and share the invite link so others can find and join your public group instantly. To make your public group welcoming, start with clear details. Edit the group name to reflect the topic and keep it short. Add a description that explains rules and purpose in 1 or 2 lines. Choose a recognizable photo that matches your theme, such as a logo or image. These small touches improve discoverability and encourage the right people to join and engage. Privacy and admin settings keep your group organized and safe. Change group type to public and select a one-of-a-kind username so people can search and join. Add trusted admins and assign clear roles like moderator or content manager. Fine-tune permissions to limit who posts, shares media, or edits group info. Regularly review settings to prevent spam and maintain a healthy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.